What's up, family? For real, my goal is to get you guys better than me. I'm proud of every single one of you guys that decided to take action on this and decide to better yourselves. And because of that, I'm going to definitely show you everything I know. With that being said, set your BPMs to 146. What I'm going to do is I'm going to menu, go to browse, and what we're going to do is go ahead and open up that drum kit that I sent you guys. Scroll down to the loops, and today we're going to be working with Judy. See, Judy broke my heart a long time ago. No, I'm just messing. So Judy's gonna go on pad 5. Make sure you put Judy on pad 5. Quick little disclaimer, you don't actually have to put it on any pad. You can put it on any pad you want that you feel comfortable with. But like I said, I'm gonna teach you guys everything I know and from how I do it, and if it works, it works. But you might find a different way. You might want to put the pad. I actually do start my samples a little bit higher, but just for practicing purposes, I start down low so I can have it connected to the kick, which goes into the next one. Go to the 808s in the folder, and excuse me, miss, 808s. Put that right below Judy on pad 1. Load that puppy up. All right. Next thing you're gonna do after that, go down to the snares and claps, and you're gonna go right to that 2006 clap, because 2006 was a good year. After that, gonna go ahead and go to your hi-hats. Go all the way down to whisper, followed by whisper, pass gas. Put that on pad 4. So whisper, pad 3, pass gas, pad 4. All right, now that we're at our main menu, go ahead, press the metronome, and make sure it's on record play, because what we're gonna be doing is using that metronome. Ready? So we're gonna do a little exercises just to warm up. We're gonna start slow, and then we're gonna turn up. Ready? Make sure you switch too. Alright, so some that might be very easy, some that might be a little, you know what I mean? But it's going to get a lot harder. And like I said, this whole month, we're not going to be really expanding too many pads from honestly too. So, because there's so many variations that you can do. Watch this. So another thing we're going to do is we're going to go up. We're going to go up a speed. So still following, still being in pocket. The goal is stay in a pocket. Ready? All right, got a little lazy at the end. You saw that. Look, I'm not perfect at it. I'm still learning myself. The cool thing about it is being on time with the metronome. You don't really necessarily have to be, because that's what makes it natural. You know what I mean? That's your seasoning. You know, so the looser you are, the better. But playing with the metronome is still gonna just keep you on rhythm, so you just know where you need to be as far as pocket wise. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up that open hi-hat that's right next to it. So we're going to do a different variation, still switching the hands. It's going to go a little something like this. Practice. Make sure you practice that. Very important, because you keep doing that repetition. It's gonna soon just take over on the one hand, and you're gonna be doing amazing things. So this one's a little bit faster with the open hi-hat. All right. said, practice. Because soon you're going to start. You know what I mean? And that's two pads. Two pads can make you that nasty. And when you throw in the kick and drum, I know we're not there yet, but when you throw that in and you have that together, that's what makes that sauce. That's what gets it saucy, man. So, for my advanced players out there that don't want to listen to a metronome all day and kind of get it too, Judy is at 146 BPM. So that's when you can start practicing. So we can go a little bit slower playing along with the loop. So loop is on pad 5. And we can start it off like. All right. So, you know what I'm saying? We're starting to get somewhere. Because soon what we're trying to go for is. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get there. But that's all the. Back to the metronome. You know what I'm saying? All right, that right there, that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot right there. But I will show you what that does sound like when you start adding some stuff to the mix. And I don't expect this is not what I expect for anybody to get by next week, this month, even in 3 months from now. This is just kind of giving you the map, like I'm giving you the tools on. You can sound exactly like this with the same practice, of course. That's why obviously I'm giving you the same kits, I'm giving you everything. So there's no excuses. You can be sounding like this. You can be. Remember that? So practice that. practice. Seriously, that right there is gonna get you. It's gonna get you on your way. Next week we're gonna start getting a little bit more into it. I know those hi-hats are a little, but you start getting nasty with the hi-hat. So like I said, I got Judy waiting on me right here, and I hope you guys got Judy waiting on y'all too. You feel me?